What it do? It's your boy Moski, and I'm back at y'all with another one. And I just want to do my due diligence because I owe y'all videos for past shoe releases. You know, your boy is new on the tube, so I gotta make up for all the, you hear me? I gotta make up for all the past sneaker releases, at least the shoes that I have. So, for sure, I got y'all. Y'all know that. So don't y'all be tripping on the kid if y'all see all these shoes that been came out. I'm just blessing the people with the, you feel me? Others did it, but your boy Moski didn't do it. So it's only legit if today we will be covering the cool gray 9s. And yeah, y'all tried to act nonchalant about these. I seen y'all out there whooping crazy. But you know, these motherfuckers still, they moved. They moved still. So somebody's lying. And not only did these move, motherfuckers was getting their feet whooped over these motherfuckers too. Me. Now, we don't commend that type of goofery, but check it out. Sometimes it gets that real in line. But y'all be safe in them. You feel me? Y'all be safe with them shoe releases. I mean, it's just been kind of cool lately. Things been sitting, but once some limited comes back, please be safe, y'all. It is not worth it, man. Be cool in line. Don't be trying to me. Don't know, man. Y'all just be cool. Try and get the shoes. If you can't get them, take the L. Everybody just, you feel me? We got lives to live, man. You know what I'm saying? No. But yeah, here we have it. The cool gray 9s. These retailed at $210. And yeah, the streets went crazy. These come in a nice, cool gray Jordan box with a Jumpman on it. And man, my box is kind of beat a little bit. Even though we could clearly see what colors are on this shoe. Let's say what the box reads. Colors included on this shoe are medium gray, cool gray, and white. Now, y'all better stop trying to geese on these because Jordan didn't play in these while he was on the Bulls, but actually he did play in these when he was on the Washington Wizards, when he was getting close to retirement. So they still count as some officials, so watch your mouth. These first released in 2002 while MJ was on the Wizards, but they have been retro twice since then. They have been retro once in 2012 and once this year in 2025, which I'm so grateful for because I'm glad they made a comeback. I know some of y'all ain't grateful, but I'm grateful. Y'all be trying to act like, hey, cool gray should be hitting different. I don't know, bruh. But yeah, y'all be trying to act like y'all don't like that, but it's cool. I don't go based off what everybody else likes. I go based off what I like. The midsole comes with a combination of a gray nubuck and a glossy patent leather. Outsoles come with like a jagged design, and you know we got that icy booty. You know what I'm saying? You got that icy booty, but it's not blue. It's a gray one. But you know, them things still look good. The lacing system on this shoe includes a one pull setup for quick lockdown, and we also get a breathable tongue. You feel? When it comes to branding, you do get a Jumpman right here, big deuce tray on the booty. What else? Oh yeah, and we got a Jumpman right here. I do feel like y'all be trying to play 9s, bruh, because they're not that hyped up. So, you know how y'all new niggas is. Y'all don't like shit that ain't all over the place. Y'all did the same thing over the olive 9s. Y'all really didn't like them, but blood, them motherfuckers is busting. Y'all tripping, bruh. Have a mind for yourself. Like, you don't have to agree with everybody. That's why we are all different. Don't y'all understand that? That's why we all have different DNA to be different. You don't have to agree with him, her. No, bruh. Get it together. get some help. But then again, I can't really be mad at these YNs because this was a long time ago. these came out these came out in 2002, but as far as the Jordan Foundation goes, it's been some years. It's been some years. What has it been, y'all? I'm stuttering over here. I can't even. What's it been? Let's see. It's been a 30 piece. It's definitely been a 30 piece, bud. So we can't expect them. They don't know about Michael Jordan that much. You feel me? So it is what it is. But anybody of age, it's your job to school these motherfuckers for real though, because it's no way. There's no way they can't know about the best player of all time, bruh. You feel me? And yeah, Jordan's the best player of all time. And blood. Second of that, y'all know I got a big Curry on mine. I ain't gonna lie though. After Jordan's Curry for me, y'all say what y'all want. I don't care. I said what I said. I'm from the Bay, and that's how we. Hey, hey. Curry is the best player I've seen, blood. While I've been able to understand the game of basketball, boo. Argue with your mama. I don't give a fuck what y'all think. Dub Nation, we getting close to the end, but we ain't quite done turning up yet. You know, that was the review on the Cool Grade 9s. Let me know in the comments if you picked up the Cool Grade 9s. Don't be a hater. Pay homage. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm still going to lace these up for y'all, and I'm actually going to clean these up and put a sole on them. And yeah, mind your own business and you might live long. Last but not least, we gonna put the protective soles on these Cool Grade 9s. I didn't grit it in these motherfuckers one too many times. So yeah, you see me, I done busted them things down with the, you'll feel me, the, the premium cleaner. And now it's time to attach them soles to them, bro. I'm not doing that no more. I only have one pair. I'm trying to keep these motherfuckers icy though.